If you're a cooking enthusiast, a home chef, or simply someone who values quality cookware, this Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set is likely a game-changer for your kitchen. This premium 11-piece set is designed to take your culinary skills to the next level, offering everything you need for effortless cooking, from searing meats to simmering sauces. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at what makes this cookware set special, its features, and why it should be a part of your kitchen arsenal. Why choose Legend Cookware? 1. Longevity and durability. Made to last a lifetime, Legend Cookware stands the test of time and is a valuable investment for your kitchen. 2. Even heating and performance. The 3-ply cladding technology guarantees superior heat retention and consistent cooking. 3. Safety and non-toxic materials. The cookware is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. 4. Ease of use and maintenance. Easy to clean and care for, with dishwasher-safe and oven-safe features. 5. Versatility. The cookware is compatible with all cooktops and ovens, making it perfect for any recipe or cooking style. Find out more and get your set today. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware to professional quality, durable, and versatile pots and pans, the Legend Cookware 11-piece set is your solution. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this cookware can elevate your cooking experience. The myth and the legend behind this cookware. The name Legend isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a testament to the longevity and performance that this cookware promises. Built to last a lifetime, Legend stainless steel cookware combines premium materials with expert craftsmanship. The 3-ply, full-clad construction of this set ensures maximum durability, consistent heat distribution, and professional-level cooking results. Whether you're a novice home cook or an experienced chef, the Legend Cookware 11-piece set offers the versatility, safety, and ease of use that every kitchen deserves. Let's dive into the features that make this cookware set stand out from the crowd. The unmatched 3-ply cladding technology. What sets the Legend Cookware 11-piece set apart from many other pots and pans on the market is its 3-ply cladding technology. This advanced construction uses 3 distinct layers of metal to provide superior cooking performance. 304 stainless steel. This layer forms the interior surface of the cookware, ensuring it is non-reactive, non-toxic, and safe for cooking all types of food. This material also makes it easy to clean and maintain. Aluminum core. In the middle is a thick aluminum core, which allows for even heat distribution across the cookware. This ensures that your food cooks evenly without any hot spots and retains optimal flavor and texture. 430 stainless steel. The exterior of the cookware is made of high-quality 430 stainless steel, providing excellent heat conductivity, making it suitable for all types of cooktops, including induction. This unique combination of materials means that the Legend Cookware set delivers excellent heat retention, reduces cooking times, and guarantees the best results every time you cook. What's included in the 11-piece set? The Legend Cookware 11-piece set has everything you need to master every cooking technique, whether you're sautéing, frying, steaming, or simmering. Here's a breakdown of the components included in the set. 1. 6-quart Dutch oven. Perfect for braising, roasting, or slow-cooking hearty meals. 2. 3-quart and 1.5-quart saucepans. Ideal for simmering sauces, heating soups, or boiling vegetables. 3. 3.5-quart sauté pan. Great for frying, searing, or preparing one-pot meals. 4. 10-inch and 8-inch fry pans. These versatile pans allow you to fry, sauté, or sear meats and vegetables. 5. 2-piece steamer set. For steaming vegetables, dumplings, or fish with ease. Each piece of cookware in this set is designed with a tempered glass lid that fits snugly, making it easy to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. The lids feature wide rims for a secure fit, which helps to lock in moisture and heat, while preventing spills. Oven-safe and compatible with all cooktops. One of the standout features of the Legend Cookware set is its oven-safe capability. These pots and pans can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, meaning you can easily transfer them from the stovetop to the oven without worry. Whether you're making a savory stew or a baked dish, this cookware set can handle the transition with ease. Moreover, the Legend Cookware set is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass stovetops. This makes it the perfect addition to any kitchen, regardless of the cooking surface you use. Durable, non-toxic, and easy to maintain, the Legend Cookware set is not only durable, but also non-toxic. Free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS, this cookware ensures your food is safe from toxic substances. The stainless steel surface is also non-reactive, meaning it won't alter the taste of your food, allowing you to enjoy the purest flavors. In terms of cleaning and maintenance, the Legend Cookware set is relatively low maintenance. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the interior measurement markings. Simply use mild dish soap and a soft scrubber to clean after use. For maintaining its shine and luster, a simple polish with vinegar or lemon juice can help restore its original gleam. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.